delayed the jump. No, it's been a bunch of times, but I don't want to upload those images because they're bad. Trying to beat the CEO, pistol only, no walls, by myself. Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay. And Lace can try and
Also,
get me. That's funny.
I almost guarantee you're going to win though because I don't have my mouse, and
I have a pistol. Oh, that's a cap. That's not good.
it's me.
Oh, too? Okay.
Yeah, don't you recognize my Earth and hyper diamond?
You don't usually use like, Earth and Hyper Diamond.
That's true. But
You usually use like a Galactic Carbon or whatever. No resto.
hey,
Eh, not that
uh-huh.
much.
Oops, I forgot you can't just walk out to. It's not bad. No, no.
Give me a key card. No, I don't want to.
I don't know why I went to first person. That was a really dumb idea.
Funny, I just shot you through the walls. You can get revenge on me later when I finish the thing. You can get me.
Well, I have the possibility too. So,
Anyway,
sorry.
someone else is here if you want to arrest him.
I guess I will. Oh, it's the person that was trying to evade me earlier.
I
Ooh.
don't think it teleports you anymore. Cause like I was over there and then once it got to him, it didn't teleport me back. The camera or whatever.
Hey, hey, buddy. You're arrested.
Oh,
Your grandma.
wait, does someone actually see that?
That is his name, in fact.
Oh, okay.
Your grandma.
It's a pretty weird name, I guess. I don't want to be here.
Oh, okay.
I don't want to accidentally put up a wall. There. No walls.
Hello.
Oh, not
Hi.
that wall. Right. Oh, he's not using the armor check. Oh, he said it at the start. I guess he doesn't.
Okay.
Very little damage there so far. Maybe after this we'll try and do a no damage, no walls, this is only solo
No,
round.
that would be so hard.
Yeah, but I'm good at the game, so I don't
Yeah,
know.
but like hard too.
I need a challenge.
Like that is an almost impossible challenge. If you do that, you should like try to upload a video on somewhere. I don't know.
I'm gonna upload this.
Well, I mean, like maybe on Reddit or something. I don't know because no one,
Yeah.
besides maybe one person that
Well,
actually watches this. But on Reddit, a lot of you get a lot of uploads on Reddit.
I don't know. I get a lot of views, not a lot of uploads.
Oh no.
Well, depending on the post.
Like telling them the wrong code for casino. That was pretty good.
Yeah, that's when the casino account did that. It's so famous.
Yeah,
Casino account for that.
because you're just that good, so Mr. Man.
Oh, I
Yeah.
forgot to tell you, my username's this replied to one of my tweets. Twice.
Oh, what was it?
So basically, I forgot to tell you this too. Akima said he has COVID, and his exact words were that finally caught COVID chat emoji, and then my username's this replied. You're saying it as if it was like a achievement or whatever. And then he put the skull with crossbones emoji, and when using like the laughing emoji with the skull, like you're trying to say that you're laughing with the skull emoji, you're supposed to use the skull emoji, not the skull with crossbones emoji.
Oh.
Because like the skull with crossbones emoji is like dead literally, and the skull emoji without crossbones means like dead figuratively.
Yeah.
And I replied, um, wrong emoji. You're supposed to use skull emoji, not skull with crossbones emoji. And he replied skull with crossbones emoji. Then I replied with the Maui emoji. Then he replied with a dinosaur emoji. Then I replied with a nerd emoji, but he didn't reply with that.
What?
I'm not gonna
That's
reach
so. What?
And I got ratioed
What does
recently.
that? What does that mean?
When the reply to your thing is more likes than your thing.
It's funny though.
Pretty sure they only like because of my username this, but whatever. I don't know.
Yeah, that's fair. But it's actually funny. Why do you put the Maui there?
Because it's a funny emoji.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Why is no one typing anything in chat?
Talking about. I hear you. Like I hear your monitor or your whatever that's making
Yeah.
sound, making noise, and I hear it's like outside the mansion. Your boy.
No. No. Hey, have you ever seen the inside of the door in the
Yeah.
mansion?
Oh,
It's literally just like there is an inside to the door, but it's like not even big enough for the smallest avatar possible to fit into, or maybe the small avatar could fit into it. But like, yeah, it's why it's like that. Why even put a space behind there if you're not even going to use it?
I'm almost done with the mansion, by the way. So
Oh, okay, I guess.
better be ready. Or no. I can't avoid
Yeah.
that.
You die.
No. But I got hit with arm. That's annoying. Because it was like inside the desk. I can. When it's inside the desk, it's annoying. Where you can't avoid it. Anyway. Finally, I got some footage I can upload.
Yay. Did did the Mr. Moon why didn't he respond with the dinosaur emoji? It's kind of funny though.
I don't know.
Is it just because it's also a funny emoji?
The dinosaur emoji isn't considered a meme emoji, I don't think.
But he just randomly put that there.
Yeah. I
Oh,
don't think my username this is a like fluent in memes.
yeah, that's fair. But you
Also,
know, if there was anyone, wait, you get out somewhere?
no.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna.
Anyway,
What?
what? What?
Oh, I was gonna tell you the meter magnet has a sign before it that says plug directly into power plant. No. I still gives some good chemistry though. No, you can't do
I don't have a mouse though.
that. Wait, where are you?
I'm becoming a police again.
Oh.
Unless you
Good.
want me to be a criminal,
No, it's fine. I guess.
like,
You stole my cell anyway.
oh, wait. There's what? Oh, oh.